Hello, and welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. In our previous video, we discussed how to create custom fields on the shopping cart page, where customer data entered in those fields automatically fills in identical fields on the checkout page. Today's video is a bit different. We're going to show you how to make sure that custom fields created on the cart page no longer appear on the checkout page, yet still retain the customer's data. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. First, from your Berdu's website dashboard, go to Layout, then select Edit Layout. Next, hover over the navigation menu at the bottom and choose the shopping cart page. Now we're inside the layout editor of the cart page. Let's edit the cart section here. Previously, we've made a detailed video explaining everything about the cart page, so this time we'll just focus on today's specific feature. Now, this is how your cart page looks. Navigate to the Preview section and add some sample products to see how it will appear with items in the cart. After adding products, return to the Filled settings. Click on Custom Field. Here, you can add a new input field to your cart page by selecting Add New Section. You can choose various input types, such as text, email, phone, etc. Rename the field as you like, and check Required if the field is mandatory for customers. If you've completed adding the custom field, click Done. Don't forget to save your changes, and let's preview the page. And here's the custom field that we've just created before. Now, let's edit the checkout page. Open New tab and go to your Berdu website's dashboard. Navigate to Layout, Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation menu at the bottom and select the checkout page. Edit the checkout section. Go to Form and scroll down to the Custom Field section. For more details on custom fields on the checkout page, you can check our previous tutorial linked in the description box below. Now, add a new custom field. This time, set the field type to Hidden. Simply enter the exact same name as the custom field you created on the cart page earlier. When everything is finished, click Done, Done, and Save. Now, let's preview the result. Refresh the shopping cart page. When customers access your website, they'll see the custom field and can fill it in before proceeding. Let's assume they've filled it out and clicked Checkout. As you can see, the custom field filled earlier no longer appears on the checkout page. Customers can then complete the required checkout information and finalize their order. Now the custom fields from the cart page, although hidden on the checkout page, still retain the data entered by customers. To reveal the data, go to your Berdu website's dashboard, then navigate to the Orders page. Select All Orders. Here, choose the order we've just created. Scroll down, and as you can see, the data from the custom field we filled earlier on the cart page is successfully stored here. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you in the next video.